Tonight I am making pulled pork sandwiches. So here we are, we're prepped already. So let's get right into it. I have in here a pork loin. You can use a pork roast or a pork butt, a pork shoulder, but I'm using a pork loin, a pork butt, B-U-T-T. Okay, not an ass, a butt, a pork butt.
You're an ass.
Yeah, you're an ass. So
Nice comeback.
I already have the pork in here. It's sitting in like a little bit of barbecue sauce down there because on the recipe that I'm using today, the barbecue sauce comes at the end. And this is the barbecue sauce I always use. I've used this since I've been on keto and I love it. It tastes just as good as any other barbecue sauce, and we're already putting sugar in this recipe, so I don't want to add more sugar with the barbecue sauce. So in here I have a half a cup of low sodium chicken broth and a third of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Here is the spices. I have 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a little bit more than a teaspoon of salt. And what else? Am I missing anything? No, I think I did very, oh, and then 2 teaspoons of ground mustard. So I think I did pretty good for memorizing all of that. Okay, so I'm going to just combine all this together in here. I'm going to throw in the brown sugar. Oh, this is going to be interesting, I think.
The zebra part of it.
That's your daughter, Zebra. I keep her little zebra here. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this right into here. And I'm going to turn it on high for 4 hours until it's shreddable. And then voila. Easy, easy peasy. Yeah. That's my saying now. Easy peasy crock pot meal. We'll just see how this tastes later.